Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening po no, sa inyo. So if you are watching this video today, so ibig pong sabihin ay meron po kayong inquiries about mutual funds and how mutual fund works. My name is Melcy and I will discuss to you paano po kayo makapagsimula and paano po ang pag-invest ng mutual funds. Okay, so welcome to our membership benefits orientation. So kung nagtataka po kayo, bakit membership benefits? Because ang pag-i-invest po ng mutual funds is part ng benefits ng aming company, International Marketing Group. So International Marketing Group is already more than 20 years in the financial industry, and I am already almost 9 years in the company doing financial education. Okay? So ang mission talaga ng company namin since 2021 is to educate 30 million Filipinos by year 2030. But currently po, nasa 10 million na po ang na-educate natin. Okay, so ang purpose talaga ng company is maturuan no, ang lahat ng mga Filipino upang makapag-ipon sa tamang pamamaraan, na hindi naman tayo nag-uusap ng mga malaking investments, kundi kung ano lang po ang makakaya natin. Tuturuan po tayo kung paano ang proper na formula upang magkakaroon tayo ng abundance. Okay? So my name is Melcy, and together with my partner James, we're doing financial education dito sa International Marketing Group. We are teachers by professions. In fact, I am a doctor by doctor of education, but full-time na po kami dito sa IMG. Okay, so I am associate financial planner and a life license underwriter. No, so I am one of the IMG CEO and of course Green Jacket 5-star. Okay, so yan po ang aking contact number. Meron din diyang email, no? So pwede ko ding ibigay sa inyo yan pagkatapos ninyong mapanood itong video na ito. I can give you the link no ng aking LinkedIn bio. Okay, so tama po ang inyong desisyon or tama po ang inyong plano na magkakaroon ng ipon, okay? Or magkakaroon ng investment. So kasi po kadalasan sa mga nag-fail is yung nag-fail to plan. No, so but after this, kasi nag-i-educate na po ako sa inyo ngayon, I hope meron po tayong execution, no? I-execute po natin yung ating mga natutunan. Okay, so bakit po tayo dapat mag-ipon at matuto kung paano ang pag-iipon ng tama? Of course, because we are already facing challenges, no? Ngayon. Not in the future, kundi ngayon na. Where people are facing challenges. Number one, uncertain labor market. Di ba po, meron po tayong mga experience na kadalasan nawawala ng trabaho, no? Kasi po hindi na po kailangan ng manpower sa isang company, nagre-retrench na po sila, machine na po, mga kiosk, no? So hindi na po talaga kailangan, no? Kadalasan, no? So therefore, mawawala ng trabaho ang isang tao. So ano po ang epekto kapag mawawala ng trabaho ang isang tao, especially kapag siya ay breadwinner? Kung mawawalan siya ng trabaho, of course, hanggang kailan po mabubuhay or makasurvive yung kanyang family members or tinatawag nating dependents, no? So, automation and powerful software continue to replace more and more workers. Manufacturing jobs are moving overseas to cut cost. Okay? So, dapat maiwasan natin itong challenge na ito, na kung darating ang panahon na mawawalan tayo ng trabaho, at least meron po tayong naiipon, no? For that time to come. Number two, low savings and high debt. These have a major impact on retirement, and many people may have to work beyond 65 years of age to survive. So ayaw po natin na darating ang panahon na magre-retire tayo na wala po tayong ganap or enough na ipon. Tama po. And of course, ayaw po natin na magre-retire na lang tayo, hindi pa tayo nakapag-set aside ng certain percentage ng ating ini-income or kinikita for our savings and investment. Kasi nga po, yes, totoo, kung nasa government tayo, darating tayo ng 60 before mag-retire. But after 60, kapag magre-retire na tayo, enough po ba ang retirement na ating matatanggap kapag nagre-retire na po tayo? And kung hindi enough, kailangan talaga nating mag-ipon. Kasi hindi ibig sabihin na nagre-retire tayo ay hindi na din tayo kakain, hindi na tayo bibili ng mga gamit natin, no? Sino pong mag-aalaga sa atin. So kailangan meron tayong iniipon for ourselves. Number 3, high cost of education. So as well as lack of preparation for college planning will hurt the younger generation. So ang ibig sabihin nito, guys, napakataas na po ng matrikula ngayon. No, kung hindi po maghahanda ang mga parents kung saan po sila mag-iipon ng tama na pagdating ng panahon na magka-college na yung kanilang mga anak, saan po nila ilalagay yung kanilang mga investments para po hindi sila mahihirapan pagdating sa time na yon. No, so isa din yan sa mga itatakol natin in this video. Number 4, increasing cost of living make many people have difficulty in saving money for their future needs. And when the need arises like emergency repair, illness, tuition fee, and etc., their only option is debt. Ang ibig pong sabihin nito is, alam na po natin, napakalaki na po no, ng inflation. Affected po talaga tayo sa inflation. And because of that, yung kinikita natin kinukulang na sa mga bilihin. Kasi sometimes po nakapag cash advance tayo, nakapag loan reloan tayo, kasi nga po kinukulang, no? Kinakapos yung ating kinikita dahil nga po tumataas ang presyo ng bilihin. So, living in one of the wealthiest countries in the world like US, many people may still retire poor. Kahit po ay nasa abroad sila nagtatrabaho, since I'm already almost 9 years in the company, alam ko po na palagi lang po silang nagpapadala ng pera sa Pilipinas or sa kanilang family, pero sila mismo wala silang iniipon for themselves. So still, pagkatapos ng kanilang trabaho or contract doon, they may still retire poor. That is why kailangan talaga nating mag-ipon. Congratulations because you have really watched this video or nakarating po kayo sa page namin. Okay? So in controlling your future, you must not rely on your employer, union, government, bank, or your broker. The future is in your hands. You make money, save money, accumulate money, and protect your money. Yes, alam na alam ng mga Filipino kung paano kumita kasi po masipag ang mga Pinoy. No? Pero ang pag-iipon at kung paano lalago ang kaniyang iniipon, medyo kulang tayo ng kaalaman. That is why our mission is to educate kung paano talaga makapag-ipon ng tama ang mga Filipino. So you are in the right video. You are watching the right video. So, and of course, hindi lang hanggang pinalago mo yung iniipon mo or ini-invest mo or yung pera mo, kundi dapat ma-protect mo din na hindi basta-basta mawala yung kinikita mo or pera na kinikita mo or property na pinag-ipunan mo. Huwag dapat basta-basta mawala yon sa iyong mga kamay. Okay? Be your own money manager. Understand how money works and make money work for you. Ibig pong sabihin, walang ibang magmamanage ng pera mo kundi ikaw lang. No? So, how to let our money work for us? Ibig sabihin yan is, kailangan malaman natin ang vehicle kung saan po natin ilagay yung ating pera na kahit tayo ay natutulog, ito ay nag-earn ng interest. Nang sa ganun, if it earns an interest, it means to say, ang pera ay tumutulong sa inyo sa pagtatrabaho. Kasi kapag nagpahinga kayo, ang pera ay walang pahinga in terms of earning, no? So, mas mabilis pala magtrabaho ang pera compare sa atin, wala pang pahinga, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no? So, ang tao 8 hours a day lang, 5 days a week. Pero kapag ang pera ang magtatrabaho, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Now, tinuturo din namin dito kung paano kayo makapag-build ng strong and solid financial foundation. Paano nga po ba yan, no? Meron pala tayong dapat i-priority. Meron pala tayong dapat structure kung paano po ang pag-build ng solid and strong na pundasyon ng ating finances. So, akala natin investment lang, tama na yon, pero meron palang tama, no? Tamang mga priorities kung paano natin ma-build ang strong and solid financial foundation. Kapag sinasabi nating strong and solid financial foundation, kahit anong mangyayari, may famine man na darating, may emergency man na darating, hindi matitinag ang ating foundation kasi nga po nakapaghanda na po tayo. Okay, una, so like building a house, you must build it from the ground up. So una po, you should increase your cash flow. Dapat hindi ka mag-rely sa isang source of income lang, no? You should increase your cash flow. Ibig sabihin, kung meron kang pwedeng pagkakakitaan, maximize it, no? So do it, do what you love, no? Ano pong gusto mong gawin, no? At pwedeng mong pagkakakitaan, ibig sabihin pwede mo yung gawin, okay? So that's increasing cash flow. Number 2 is you must learn how to properly protect, no, your life, your family in terms of health and disability, no? So anong ibig sabihin yan, no? Alam mo ba kung ano po ang value mo towards your family? Gaano ka ka-valuable towards your family? If you are the breadwinner, napakahalaga mo po. So magkano po ba ang value mo towards your family? So katulad na lamang ng sasakyan, if we buy worth 2.5 million car, ang value ng insurance ng sasakyan na kukunin natin is 2.5 million din. Ngayon, kayo po, in terms of protection, magkano ang value mo? So, there are mga mga kino-consider natin in terms of computing the value. Number 1, if something will happen to you, magkano po ba ang utang na maiiwan mo sa pamilya mo? Number 2, magkano po ba ang income mo per year? And that should be times 10 in computing. So times 10 of your annual income, magkano po ba yung debts na meron ka ngayon at kung something will happen to you, yan ang maiiwan sa family mo, magkano po ba ang gagastusin mo sa edukasyon ng inyong mga anak, no? Education of your children or your kids. So from now until magka-college sila or matapos sila sa pag-aaral. So that is priority din sa pag-compute, no? So and of course, magkano po yung mga binabayaran mo ngayon na bahay or car, no? So we call that mortgage, no? So in short, you are going to consider the DIME method in computing. So D stands for debts, I stands for income replacement, M stands for mortgage, and of course, E stands for the education of your kids. So that should be the value of your protection. So how about health and disability? Handa ka na po ba na for example, time will come, magkakasakit ka, meron ka na po bang na-set aside na mga healthcare, no? For your hospitalization, or not only for your hospitalization today, but how about when we get old, no? Are we prepared already? And of course, this disability. So, di ba po, napakadami pa pala nating i-consider in terms of building a solid financial foundation. Next po na i-consider natin is to manage our debts and reduce our liability. Because debts is the termite po na talagang unti-unting kakain sa pundasyon ng inyong solid foundation ng finances ninyo. So kapag may utang tayo at medyo malaki-laki ang interest rate, ito po ang nakapag-hinder or nakapag-stop sa atin na makapag-invest and proceed to the next level. Kasi nga po, of course, instead na i-invest mo po yung ibabayad mo na interest, ay binabayad mo na lang sa utang. So our company IMG, once you become a member, meron po kami mga workshops and seminars. Paano po ma-decrease yung debts or ma-zero out yung debts ninyo and reduce liability. So that's the reason why, guys, I'm very thankful with this company kasi po makarami po naming natutulungan and mismo ako natutulungan po talaga ako dito sa company na ito. Next is to have an emergency fund. So magkano ba ang kailangan natin upang magkaroon ka or magkano ba ang kailangan mo as your emergency fund? You know what? Ang kailangan natin ngayon or kung nagsisimula pa lang tayo is 3 to 6 months equivalent of your salary or monthly expenses, whichever is higher. So for example, mas higher yung income mo compare sa expenses mo, so times 3 of that monthly income or times 6 of that monthly income, that should be your emergency fund. If higher po yung expenses natin, times 3 or times 6 of that expenses natin, and that should be your emergency fund. In case na may mawalan tayo ng trabaho or mawalan tayo ng income, at least meron pa tayong magagamit for 6 months. Di ba po? You know what, for how many years, hindi ko po alam na meron palang formula. But unti-unti, if we can recover na, of course, damihan natin or lakihan na natin yung ating tinatawag na emergency fund. And next is to build up savings and investment. When we talk about investment, we should consider long-term. Di ba po? So it is not considered as investment if you're going to put it today and bukas, kukunin mo na. So it's not an investment, no? So dapat po, you are going to consider long-term. Okay? So, yan po ang ano guys, no? Yan po ang anong tawag natin? The foundation of building a strong financial foundation. Okay? Or the concept of building a strong financial foundation. So I hope you understand, no? So I'll proceed to the next slide. So we are now in the era of the informed consumer, no? A new world of possibilities. So from do-it-yourself home improvement to self-booking travel, shopping on eBay and Amazon, and being a member of Costco or SNR membership, more people are learning how to get better deals and save more money on products and services. So DIY world na po tayo. Our company is adapting this platform na DIY world. So IMG, our company, is a new concept in the financial industry that assists people who want to help themselves in building their financial foundation. And I believe because you are here, you're watching this video, that is because you want to build your solid financial foundation. So thousands and thousands of people from all walks of life across the globe have benefited from International Marketing Group platform. Number one, you are educated on all aspects of personal finance. So education is the key, guys. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta lang po tayo mag-i-invest, basta-basta lang po tayong mag-iipon. Dapat merong edukasyon talaga. Have access to hundreds of financial products and services. As an education company, we also have partnership with the biggest or largest companies in the Philippines, which will serve your needs depending on your needs, guys, financial needs. So meron kaming recommendations kung saan, no? Pagkatapos ng aming pagtuturo sa concept. So receive training and support to manage your money, save money on various products and services. Of course, kasi po kapag nakapag-save tayo ng kahit anong amount, no, from the services that we need, maiipon na po natin yan or magagamit na po natin yung pera na yan in some other needs. And of course, earn commissions by sharing their knowledge with customers in this fast-growing industry. So therefore, in IMG pala, you can build your second career. Kung meron ka pong present job ngayon, you can build your second career. In my case, no, I was a teacher before, but right now I am a full-time financial education, no? So therefore, we can have our second career dito po sa IMG as financial educator. So you can learn and earn in the financial industry. So do you know how money works? Di ba po, you are asking how to invest, paano makapag-invest. So therefore, ito na po yung sagot no na concept kung paano pala ang pera ang magtatrabaho para sa atin. That is true investment, di ba? So kailangan yung pera natin, meron siyang tubo or magkakaroon siya ng interest. But I said kanina, there are factors affecting in building wealth. Number one, the amount of money. Kung wala kang iniipon or hinuhulog, of course, wala kang makukuha na wealth. Number two, time. So time is very essential in terms of building wealth because of course, you cannot get millions in just 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. And next po na factor is of course the interest rate. Alamin natin kung magkano or ilan or how much is the interest rate at kung saan ka ng vehicle naglalagay ng iyong pera. Next is, of course, you are to consider the tax, no? So, is it taxable or non-taxable? Diba? Kasi po, tax is very, guys, big factor in terms of building your wealth. Bakit po? Example, nag-ipon ka ng 100,000 in a year sa bank. Pagkatapos binigyan ka ng, for example, 5%, no? Pero yung tubo mo na 5% sa 100,000 minus the inflation and tax, at the end of the year, yung pera mo mas bumababa pa. Bakit po? Yung capital mo, mas mababa pa sa capital ang return mo pagkatapos ng isang taon kasi nga po, maliit lang po ang interest rate plus deduction pa ng tax, affected pa ng inflation. So, ibig sabihin guys, we should know the vehicle talaga, yung mga something na walang tax, no? Para at least makakapag-ipon po tayo or makapag-save po tayo. So now, do you know what do the wealthy know that normal people don't? This is the magic of the compounding interest, no? So, ito yung sabi ko kanina, interest rate. You must know the interest rate of the money that you have placed, no? Or put. Example, guys, sa 4%, using the rule of 72 formula, 72 divided by 4%, 18 years po mag-compound yung pera ninyo. So, kung sa 8%, 9 years din mag-compound ang pera natin, and sa 12%, 6 years. So, ito ay example lang, no? Example, for the sake of example. So, we are going to look at the effect if we're going to place our money in the different interest rate at a given period of time, no? So, always consider that, guys, Hana, this is only for the sake of example. So, kung ikaw ay 29 years old at nakapag-ipon ka ng 100,000 sa 4% interest, pagdating mo ng 47 years old, yung 100 mo naging 200 kasi 29 plus 18, that's 47. Now, pagdating ng another 18 years, you are 65, your 100,000 pesos becomes 400,000. Now, sa 8% naman, 9 years mag-double. So, if you're 29, so that's plus 9 years, 38 years old, naging 200, hanggang dumating ka ng 65 years old, 1.6 million. Pero 100,000 lang po ang nilalagay mo. Okay? Sa 12% naman, 6 years magdoble yung pera ninyo. Naglagay ka ng 100,000 when you were 29. Pagdating mo ng 65 years old, it is already 6.4 million. So see the difference, guys. 4 times 8 is only times 2 doubled, and 4 to 12% is times 3 doubled in terms of the interest rate. Itong kino-compare ko po yung interest rate. But look at the effect or the result of your compounding money. So 4% is 400,000, 12% is 6.4 million. That's times 16 doubled. So it means to say, guys, na napakalaki pala ang impact ng pera natin kapag nilalagay natin siya sa medyo mas malaki-laki ang interest rate. So that is why our company is also teaching us to invest in mutual funds, no? So, do you know about savings and investment? Kapag savings and investment ang pinag-uusapan, scam agad ang ating maiisip. Bakit? Kasi kulang ng edukasyon. That's the reason why we are here, for us to really give proper financial education. So, para maiwasan natin ang scam, kailangan talaga natin matuto. So, how do mutual funds work? So, when we talk about mutual fund, so it is money pooled from a certain number of investors. So, each fund has a specific mandate or purpose, and a professional fund manager who invests the money based on the specific strategy and goal of the fund. So a mutual fund allows many investors to pool their money. Professional money managers invest in a diversified portfolio of securities. They keep funds under constant supervision. Okay, so it's the function of the fund manager po, no, na mag-supervise po ng ating mga investment. Hindi na po tayo yung gagawa. So this is not the stock trading, guys. So we're talking about mutual funds, okay? So, they invest the pooled asset in many different companies in a variety of industries. No? So, list of industries, no, maraming industries. As an investor, kung mag-i-invest ka sa mutual fund, you own shares in proportion to your investment. So, depende sa kung magkano yung nilalagay mo. No? So, you own shares. No? You are owner, no? Share owner, shareholder. So you receive the proportionate share of earnings on the investment of funds, no? And when we talk about mutual funds, it is classified into bond funds, stock equities, and balance. Anyway, kapag member na po kayo ng IMG, iba na din ang ating seminar in terms of mutual funds, no? So this time po is binibigyan lang po tayo ng introduction kung ano talaga ang mutual funds. So why we recommend mutual funds? Because the interest rate of your savings may offset the inflation and taxes. So na-discuss ko po kanina na napakadaki po ng impact talaga ng inflation and tax. Okay. So dito po, no, this is a very basic example. You are the investor. The fund manager pool your money and invested it in 10 maximum securities. So 10 securities dyan, 10 companies, no? It will generate return and the return will be passed back to you as the investor. So, ibig po sabihin, anytime po di ka magdagdag or maghulog dyan, once member ka na ng company ni IMG, anytime po di mo din kunin. So, parte po ng benefit ng IMG membership ang pagiging investor mo sa mutual fund in a minimum amount of 1,000 pesos. Yes, you can directly go to mutual fund companies, pero dun ka malulugi sa mga charges. Kasi every time you top up, meron silang charges. So kung ilang beses ka mag-top up, ilang beses din sila mag-deduct. So dito sa company natin, directly po kung magkano yung perang i-top up mo or i-invest mo, yan po ang buong pera na ibili ng shares of stocks, no? Now, hindi mawawala ang pera mo dito sa mutual funds kasi ikaw lang po ang nakapag-monitor ng sarili mong dashboard. No, so meron ka ding monitoring in terms of magkano yung NAV or net asset value, meaning to say kung binili siya ng 1 peso at nakita mo na 2 pesos o ang NAV, so pwede mo siyang ibenta. Pero kung nakita mo na less than 1 peso yung NAV, wag mong ibenta. No, so well, anyway, there are a lot of trainings pa in terms of mutual funds and stock market dito po kapag member na po kayo. Okay? So our membership fee for Philippine coded is only 6,000 pesos. And ito na po ang lahat ng mga benefits mo as the member. So meron na tayong free financial education, workshops, ebook, e-workbook, financial check-up that is worth 50,000. Yung initial investment mo na 1,000 pesos no sa Soldivo Bond Fund, no? So napunta na agad sa investment mo sa mutual funds yung 1,000. You can earn to Kaiser products. So, I will be giving you the video number 2 the moment member ka na po. No? So, another video na din po yun with regards to our some other products. No, and the good thing kapag member ka ng IMG, zero load fee na po yung mutual funds mo. Ibig sabihin, wala na siyang charges. So, pagkano ang na-invest or na-save mo? 1 to 4%. No, so, ang dami-dami pang iba. Access to MyTrade or U-Trade stock market online. So pwede ka na mag-stock market or stock trading kapag member ka na ng IMG. And so on and so forth. Meron ka pang free check-up unlimited with your family members sa Kaiser Medical Center. Discounted laboratory services sa Kaiser Medical Center including your family members. Meron ka pang free memorial life insurance from Fidelity Life which is 50,000 pesos. So pwedeng wala na ka ng binabayaran monthly no sa ibang companies kasi po meron na po dito 50,000. You're covered with personal accident insurance which is 100 to 300,000. You can have a discount if you want to purchase cars. No, so ang dami-daming benefit ito na po lahat. Pero because you're making an inquiry on how to invest in mutual funds, paano makapag-invest sa mutual funds, that's why I'm focusing talaga sa mutual funds. But I can still give you video number 2 kapag member na po kayo. Okay? So, another benefit is the travel. Free travel. No? So, from 2022 lang po itong nasa screen ko. So, we were in these countries already. Malaysia, London, Dubai, Singapore, Korea, Japan. So, we were there, no? Taipei, no? And of course, just November, so we were in Hong Kong and Macau. We have our convention in there, no? So by the way, for how many years na andito ako sa company, hindi lang po to ang mga countries na na-travel natin. Ang dami-dami pa pong countries. No? So of course, kakaroon kami ng green jacket meeting that time in Macau, no? So Ibig sabihin guys, napakalaki na po ng company natin. You can build up your career talaga dito aside from being investors and whatever. Or if you don't like to have a second career with us, then you can just avail the benefit na ino-offer namin. Okay? So, yan po, no? Next travel natin is in Bangkok, Thailand this coming March. So you can really be part of this travel and learn with us during our convention. And of course, napakadami mong matutunan kasi meron tayong community. Ang laki-laki na po natin talaga sa company natin because we're more than 20 years as what I have mentioned. So kapag member na po kayo, yan po lahat, no? Ikaw po ang nagre-represent sa lahat ng companies na yan, no? So, we have Kaiser for our healthcare, we have Manila Bankers for our life insurance and Fidelity. We have Rampver, Soldivo, Philam Asset, Atram, Phil Equity for our investment. Real estate partners natin are SMDC, Ayala Land, no? Vista Land. Then General Insurances, Allied Financial Services, and other services. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag member ka na ng company, ito na yung business mo. You are independent representative of this company, no? So, or these companies, no? So, IMG is the broker, tapos you are, of course, under IMG, then as an independent representative, you represent sa lahat ng mga companies na yan. So that is why guys, no, we're building na our business in here for almost 9 years. And of course, because IMG is already 20 years, marami na po ang talagang naging successful dito sa IMG natin. So our members of IMG, so we have teachers, no? We have Sir Andres from Bohol, Ma'am Maureen from Leyte, Ma'am Manilin from Cebu, Ma'am Bernarda is already in Maryland, no? So pwede namang meron kang work tapos nag-IMG ka pa din, no? So we have here mga teachers po ito guys, no? And of course, men in uniform natin, no? So we are part as I am part of the Regional Advisory Council Chairman on Financial Literacy, no, sa PNP. That's why nagka-conduct din ako ng lectures din sa men in uniform. So, as a member, sabi ko kanina, you can build up your career dito. So, saan po kayo pwedeng kumita? Of course, di ba, meron tayong membership na 6,000 pesos. Kailangan mag-member muna tayo. That is for the accreditation, yung membership mo, lahat, SEC registration, agent code, and training material. So, for example, guys, kasi magbibigay pa ako ng video number 2, di ba? For example, wala tayong commission dyan sa membership kasi hindi tayo networking. No, we're not networking company that we earn from recruiting, no. So, for example, meron kasi kaming product na tinatawag na Kaiser 3-in-1 Savings Program. So, hindi ko pa na-discuss dito sa video na ito. So, for example, merong kukuha ng isang savings, no, na 26,000 and you are a new member, associate ang tawag sa inyo. Kapag associate ka, you join, tapos meron kang savings program sa Kaiser, you're entitled for 20% commission na. Then, kapag MD ka na, you become 37% na ang compensation mo, and SMD na is 47%, no? So, ang good news lang dito, no demotion, no quota lang tayo sa company natin. So, walang pressure, no? And meron kaming good news, no, this time guys, pa-promo ng company natin kasi na-hit na po natin yung 10 million Filipinos na na-educate. Nag-promo ang company na instead 30 members and 30 savers ang kailangan for you to be promoted for Senior Marketing Director. This time po, ang kailangan natin is only 10. So 10 members and 10 na kukuha ng savings if you wanted to become Senior Marketing Director. So that is all po. If you have questions, guys, you can message me na lang. Thank you so much.